A very warm welcome to dear friends and students. This is Professor Rohit Shinde from Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Manmad. It gives me immense pleasure to present Molecular Orbital Theory, Part 5. In the last video lecture, we have studied molecular orbital energy level diagrams of dilithium molecule, diberyllium, diboron, dicarbon, dinitrogen and dioxygen molecules. Also we have seen molecular orbital electronic configuration, bond order, bond lengths of O2 plus ion, O2 molecule, O2 minus ion, that is superoxide ion, and O2 2 minus ion, that is a peroxide ion. In this lecture we will see molecular orbital diagrams of F2 molecule, why any two molecule does not exist, and we will also see molecular orbital energy level diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule including HCl, HF, carbon monoxide and nitric oxide. Now let us commence our presentation with molecular orbital energy level diagram of F2 molecule. F2 molecule, it is a homonuclear diatomic molecule. Since this molecule is formed by combination of the atoms of two similar elements, and hence F2 molecule is called as a homonuclear diatomic molecule. F2 molecule is formed by combination of two fluorine atoms. Each fluorine atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in bonding, and hence 1s orbital remains as a non-bonding orbital. Only the 2s and 2p orbitals take part in bonding with their electrons. There are two fluorine, it means that 2 2s and 6 2p orbital, that is total 8 atomic orbital combine and forms 8 molecular orbital. Here 2s and 2p orbitals of fluorine atom are well separated, so they do not interact. Therefore the sequence of energy levels of the molecular orbitals in F2 molecule is according to the energy level diagram as shown here. While writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration of F2 molecule, for the 1s2 electrons of each F atom, fluorine atom, a letter K is written, capital K. Capital K stands for the first shell. The remaining 14 electron, out of 18, remaining 14 electron occupy the molecular orbitals by following the Abbou's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. This diagram shows the molecular orbital energy level diagram of F2 molecule. In short, we can say MOT diagram. The first 2 electron occupies in sigma 2s molecular orbital. The next 2 electron goes to sigma star 2s, that is anti-bonding molecular orbital. After this 2 electron goes to sigma 2px, it is a bonding molecular orbital. After this 4 electron go to pi bonding molecular orbitals, and remaining 4 electron goes to pi star anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here energy is increasing from bottom to top. The number of combining atomic orbital, that is 8, it is exactly equal to molecular orbital formed. We can write its molecular orbital electronic configuration as KK. Double K is written since there is presence of 2 1s orbital from the 2 fluorine. So KK. Next 2 electron are occupied in sigma 2s. So that's why sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2, sigma to px2, pi to py2, pi to pz2, pi star to py2, and pi star to pz2. In this way, molecular orbital electronic configuration of F2 molecule is written. Since the number of electrons present in a bonding molecular orbital are more than the number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital, and hence the molecule is stable. The bond order is given by the formula the number of bonds between the two atoms. We can calculate energy evolved bond order, and we can also predict the magnetic nature by using this molecular orbital electronic configuration. So let us calculate energy evolved during the formation of F2 molecule. So it is given by the formula number of electrons in BMO into minus beta plus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. So first calculate total number of electrons in BMO. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so total number of electrons in BMO are 8, and total number of electrons in ABMO is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. So this formula is there, and we will put the values 8 into minus beta plus 6 into plus beta. It becomes minus 2 beta. So minus 2 beta is stabilization energy. This much amount of energy is evolved during the formation of F2 molecule. Now calculation of bond order. The formula is 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So number of electron in BMO is 8 minus 6, that is 2. So 1/2 into 2, it becomes 1. So bond order 1 suggests that there is presence of only one bond in the two atoms of F2 molecule. Now let us predict magnetic nature for this molecule. Since all the electrons are paired, F2 molecule is diamagnetic. You can see this molecular orbital energy level diagram. All the electrons are paired in molecular orbital. That's why this molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Now let us see why dianion, that is Ne2 molecule, does not exist. If we compare the molecular orbital energy level diagram of F2 and Na2, in case of Na2, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. Its octet is complete. While filling up the electrons in the molecular orbital, all the molecular orbital are fully filled, completely filled. In case of Na2 molecule, all the orbitals are filled by electrons. Its expected molecular orbital electronic configuration should be kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma to px2, pi to py2, pi to pz2, pi star to py2, pi star to pz2, and sigma star to px2. So while calculating energy evolved, we are going to use this formula. The number of electrons in BMO into minus beta plus number of electrons in ABMO into plus beta. Number of electrons in BMO is equal to 8, while number of electrons in ABMO is equal to 2 plus 6, that is also 8. So energy evolved can be calculated as 8 into minus beta plus 8 into plus beta. Minus 8 beta plus 8 beta, it becomes 0. Now calculate bond order. While calculating bond order, the formula is 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So 1/2 in bracket 8 minus 8, that is again 0. So in this molecule, all the orbitals are filled by the electrons, and that's why bond order as well as stabilization energy both are 0. Bond order 0 indicates that there is no formation of any type of bond between the two neon, and due to this Na2 molecule does not exist. Bond order is 0, stabilization energy is also 0, and that's why dineon molecule does not exist. Now let us see molecular orbital energy level diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule means the molecules formed by combination of atoms of two different elements. Such molecules are called as a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. For example, nitric oxide, that is NO, carbon monoxide, CO, hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride. All these four molecules contains two different elements. In nitric oxide, you can see one element is nitrogen, another is oxygen. So this molecule is formed by combination of atoms of two different elements. That's why this element is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. So these molecules are of AB type. So these are AB type of molecules in which atom B is having higher electronegativity than the atom A. If we consider the HF molecule, in case of HF molecule, fluorine is more electronegative. In case of HCl, chlorine is more electronegative. In case of carbon monoxide, oxygen is more electronegative. In case of nitric oxide, oxygen is more electronegative. This type of AB type of molecules will be formed only when atomic orbitals of nearly same energy combine effectively. Second condition, atomic orbitals come close and have maximum overlap. C, atomic orbitals have the same symmetry about the molecular axis. Now let us begin formation of HCl molecule. Molecular orbital energy level diagram for HCl molecule. HCl molecule is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. This molecule, HCl molecule, is formed by combination of two different elements. HCl molecule possesses one hydrogen and one chlorine, out of which chlorine is more electronegative than the hydrogen. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. The electronic configuration of chlorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, or we can write in a condensed form, that is neon 3s2, 3p5. Only one electron is required for the completion of octet in case of chlorine. So let us see the formation of HCl molecule. The atomic orbitals of more electronegative element, that is chlorine. The atomic orbitals of more electronegative element contribute more to the formation of bonding molecular orbital and less to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Similarly, the atomic orbitals of less electronegative element contribute more to the formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital and less to the bonding molecular orbital. That is, the electrons in the molecular orbital spend more time around one atom than the other. This causes separation delta plus and delta minus. The atom develops a dipole, and hence covalent bond in case of HCl molecule has a partial ionic character. Let us consider the formation of HCl molecule. It is shown that the filled 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s orbitals of chlorine atom are lower in energy and hence cannot participate in bonding. Only the 3p orbital of chlorine atom are of a suitable energy and can combine with the 1s orbital of the hydrogen. If we assume HCl axis as the x-axis, then only the 3px orbital of chlorine atom, out of 3px, 3py and 3pz, only the 3px orbital of chlorine atom is of a correct symmetry pointing along the HCl axis, and hence out of the 3p orbitals, only 3px orbital of chlorine atom will be most suitable one for bonding, because it matches in symmetry and energy with the 1s orbital of hydrogen. Here you can see energy is increasing from bottom to top. This is the atomic orbital of hydrogen. This one is the atomic orbital of chlorine. This is 1s atomic orbital. This one is the 3px atomic orbital. These two atomic orbital combine and form two molecular orbital. The overlapping of 1s orbital of hydrogen and 3px orbital of chlorine gives rise to sigma bonding molecular orbital and sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbital, as shown in this diagram. The bonding molecular orbital is shown as sigma sp, while anti-bonding will be written as sigma star sp. While writing the electronic configuration of HCl molecule, for hydrogen atom there are no electrons to be written as a K shell, because this electron is already present in a K shell and it is taking part in the formation of molecule. However, for chlorine atom, for 1s2 electron we write K. For the 2s and 2p, 2s2 and 2p6 electrons we write capital L, and we neglect 3s2, 3py2 and 3pz2 electrons of chlorine atom. The molecular orbital electronic configuration of HCl molecule is written as Kl sigma sp2. K stands for 1s orbital of chlorine, while capital L stands for 2s2 and 2p6 orbital of chlorine. Here you can see two electrons are there in sigma sp, that is bonding molecular orbital, as we have seen here. The molecular orbital electronic configuration for HCl molecule is Kl sigma sp2. Now we can easily calculate the bond order. Bond order can be defined as the number of bonds between the two atoms is nothing but the bond order. It can be calculated by using the formula 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So 1/2 in bracket, now calculate number of electron in BMO, that is 2. 2 electrons are there in BMO, while antibonding molecular orbital is empty. So that's why 1/2 in bracket 2 minus 0. So 1/2 multiplied by 2, it becomes 1. Bond order 1 indicates that there is presence of single bond, only one bond between the HCl molecule. Now let us see diagram one more time. In the molecular orbital, all electrons are paired. Only two electrons are present which are present in BMO, and these electrons are paired. There is no presence of any unpaired electron, and that's why magnetic nature of HCl molecule must be diamagnetic in nature. Since all the electrons are paired, HCl molecule is diamagnetic. We have already discussed there is formation of delta plus and delta minus partial charges. So that's why HCl molecule is a polar and it has a polar covalent bond. The bond length in HCl molecule is 1.27 angstrom unit, and bond energy, that is energy required to break the bond, is 103 kilocalories per mole. Now let us see formation of HF molecule. Molecular orbital energy level diagram for HF molecule. HF molecule is also a heteronuclear diatomic molecule, because this molecule is formed by combination of two atoms of different elements. In case of HF, hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen is less electronegative than the fluorine. Fluorine is more electronegative. Here, hydrogen possesses electronic configuration 1s1. Fluorine has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, or we can represent the configuration in a condensed form, that is a He 2s2, 2p5. This is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for HF molecule. Energy is increasing from bottom to top. This one is the atomic orbital of hydrogen atom, and this is the atomic orbital of fluorine. Since there are two atomic orbital of two different elements, two atomic orbital combine and forms two molecular orbital. One is bonding molecular orbital, another one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital, that is BMO, it is a sigma sp. Anti-bonding molecular orbital is a sigma star sp. Here, the atomic orbitals of more electronegative element, that is a fluorine, contribute more to the formation of bonding molecular orbital. Similarly, the atomic orbitals of less electronegative element contribute more to the formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital and less to the bonding molecular orbital. And this causes charge separation, that is delta plus and delta minus on the atoms, and it develops a dipole in this molecule, and hence the covalent bond present in HF molecule has a highly ionic character. It is a polar covalent bond. While writing the electronic configuration of HF molecule, for hydrogen atom, there is no electrons to be written as a K shell. However, for fluorine atom, for 1s2 electron, we write K, and we neglect 2s2, 2p2 and 2pz2 electrons of fluorine atom. The molecular orbital electronic configuration of HF molecule is written as K sigma sp2. This K is for 1s2 orbital of fluorine, and sigma sp, it is a bonding molecular orbital shown here. It possesses 2 electrons, while anti-bonding molecular orbital sigma star sp is a vacant. So its electronic configuration must be K sigma sp2. Calculation of bond order. Bond order is equal to 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So 1/2 in bracket 2 minus 0, it becomes 1. Bond order 1 indicates that there is presence of one bond between the hydrogen and fluorine. Now let us see magnetic nature of HF molecule. In this molecular orbital energy level diagram, electrons present in molecular orbital are paired, and there is no any unpaired electron in either bonding or anti-bonding molecular orbital. It clearly suggests that this molecule is a diamagnetic in nature. Since all the electrons are paired, HF molecule is a diamagnetic in nature. HF molecule is polar molecule. As we have seen, there is formation of partial charges on these two atoms in the HF molecule, and that's why this molecule is a polar molecule, and the covalent bond present is a polar covalent bond. Bond length between the HF is 0.92 angstrom unit, and bond energy, it is a 135 kilocalories per mole in case of HF molecule. Now let us see formation of nitric oxide. This is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for nitric oxide, that is NO molecule. NO molecule, it is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Since due to the combination of atoms of two different elements, that is, one is nitrogen and another one is oxygen. This molecule is formed, and that's why it is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. This molecule is formed by combination of one nitrogen atom and one oxygen atom. Here, oxygen atom is more electronegative than the nitrogen atom. The electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, and electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The inner 1s electron of both nitrogen and oxygen do not take part in bonding. The molecular orbital electronic configuration of NO molecule can be qualitatively obtained either by removing one electron from the configuration of O2 molecule or by adding one electron to the configuration of N2 molecule. So, nitrogen possesses 7 electrons, oxygen possesses 8 electrons, 7 plus 8, 15. NO possesses 15 electrons. In O2 molecule, there is presence of 16 electrons. If we remove one electron from O2, we will get the molecular orbital electronic configuration of NO molecule. Or in case of N2 molecule, 7 plus 7, 14 electrons are there. If we add one electron in N2, then we will get the formation of NO molecule. The sequence wise, the molecular orbital energy level diagram of NO is similar to that of homonuclear diatomic molecule of O2, as we have seen in the earlier video. The last electron in NO molecule is filled in the anti-bonding pi star 2py or pi star 2pz orbital. In this molecular orbital energy level diagram, energy is increasing from bottom to top. Here 2s, this is the first 2s of nitrogen, another 2s of oxygen, 2s and 6 2p orbital, that is total 8 atomic orbital combine, and they form total 8 molecular orbital as shown in here. Electrons are filled in these molecular orbital by following Bose principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. Now, while writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration for NO molecule, for 1s2 of both nitrogen and oxygen, we are going to write Kk as shown here, Kk. After this, the remaining electrons are filled. First 2 electrons goes to sigma 2s, next 2 electron in sigma star 2s, next 2 electron in sigma 2px, next 2 electron in pi 2py, next 2 in pi 2pz, and last electron goes to pi star 2py. That's why we have written molecular orbital electronic configuration of NO molecule as Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, and pi star 2py1. This is the configuration. In case of NO, there are total 7 plus 8, 15 electron. As we have seen in the earlier video lecture, if any molecule possesses larger than 14 electron, greater than 14 electron, then there is no sp interaction, and that's why sigma 2px possesses lower energy than degenerate molecular orbital, that is pi 2py and pi 2pz. Now let us calculate bond order. Bond order can be calculated by using the formula number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So BMO possesses 2 plus 6, 8 electrons, while ABMO possesses 2 plus 1, 3 electrons. So 1/2 in bracket 8 minus 3, it becomes 2.5. So 2.5 indicates that bonds present between nitrogen and oxygen in nitric oxide are 2 and a partial bond. Now let us see magnetic nature. In this diagram, we can clearly see there is presence of one unpaired electron. This unpaired electron suggests that this molecule is paramagnetic in nature, since there is one unpaired electron in the pi star molecular orbital, and hence nitric oxide molecule is paramagnetic in nature. In case of nitric oxide, bond length is 1.15 angstrom unit and bond energy is 162 kilocalories per mole. Next molecule is formation of nitrosyl ion. So nitrosyl ion is formed when we remove one electron from the nitric oxide. So nitric oxide possesses total 15 electron, and if we remove one electron from the nitric oxide, we get 14 electron. So molecular orbital electronic configuration for nitrosyl ion can be written as, just we have to remove this electron, last electron, from the pi star to py. Okay, so after removing this electron, we will get the molecular orbital electronic configuration for NO plus ion. So it is written here KK, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, and pi 2pz2. This is the molecular orbital electronic configuration for nitrosyl ion. Now let us see bond order in case of nitrosyl ion. So its formula is 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So bonding molecular orbital possesses 2 plus 6, 8 electron. ABMO possesses only 2 electrons. So 1/2 in bracket 8 minus 2, that is 1/2 in bracket 6, it is equal to 3. So bond order 3 indicates that there is presence of 3 bonds between the nitrogen and oxygen plus ion. So nitrosyl ion possesses 3 bonds. Now magnetic nature. So there is no any presence of unpaired electron. All electrons are paired in all the BMOs and ABMOs, and due to this molecule is diamagnetic. Since electrons are paired in NO plus ion, this molecule is diamagnetic in nature. The bond between NO plus ion is stronger and shorter than that in NO molecule. NO molecule possesses bond order 2.5, while in case of nitrosyl ion, bond order is 3. It means that NO plus has a stronger bond and bond is also shorter. Now let us see formation of carbon monoxide molecule. Carbon monoxide is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. It is formed by combination of one carbon and one oxygen atom. Here oxygen is more electronegative, while carbon is a less electronegative. Carbon possesses electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2, while oxygen has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Here the 1s2 orbital of both carbon and oxygen, these are inner 1s orbital, and that's why these electrons of carbon and oxygen do not take part in a bonding and they remain as a non-bonding. The carbon monoxide molecule is isoelectronic with N2 molecule. Since CO molecule possesses 14 electron, carbon possesses 6 and oxygen possesses 8. 6 plus 8, 14 electrons. In case of N2 molecule, 7 plus 7, 14 electrons are there, and that's why the carbon monoxide is isoelectronic with N2 molecule, and both of them have 14 electron. Here you can see energy is increasing from bottom to top. There are two 2s orbital, one 2s is of carbon, another is of oxygen. So 2 2s and 6 2p orbital, that is total 8 atomic orbitals combine and forms 8 molecular orbital as shown here, and electrons are filled up into the molecular orbital by following Abba's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. Since carbon monoxide possesses 14 electrons, and we have seen if any molecule possesses less than or equal to 14 electron, then sp interaction takes place, and in such case sigma 2px possesses higher energy than the degenerate molecular orbitals. So the molecular orbital energy level diagram for N2 molecule is similar to the CO molecule, except that the energy levels of oxygen are lower than that of carbon atom. Here you can clearly see atomic orbitals of carbon are having lower energy than the atomic orbitals of carbon. This occurs due to the electronegativity difference between the carbon and oxygen. This diagram shows molecular orbital energy level diagram of CO molecule. Since oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon, its energy levels are lower than those of carbon. The oxygen orbitals contribute more to the bonding molecular orbitals, and carbon orbitals contribute more to anti-bonding molecular orbital. The 8 electrons in the bonding molecular orbital try to neutralize the greater nuclear charge on the oxygen core, and hence the polarity of carbon monoxide is low. Now, while writing the electronic configuration of carbon monoxide, first we have to write capital K for the 1s2 electrons of both carbon and oxygen. So it is written here Kk. After this, 2 electrons are occupied in sigma 2s. Next 2 electron goes to antibonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star 2s. Next 4 electrons are occupied in pi 2py and pi 2pz, and remaining 2, that is last 2 electrons, goes to sigma 2px. All electrons are paired. So its molecular orbital electronic configuration will be Kk sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 pi 2py2 pi 2pz2 and sigma 2px2. This will be the molecular orbital electronic configuration. Now calculation of bond order. The number of bonds between the two atoms is nothing but the bond order. The bond order is equal to 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So BMO possesses 8 electrons. So these 2 plus these 6, 8 electrons. And antibonding molecular orbital possesses only 2 electrons. So we will put the values 1/2 in bracket 8 minus 2, that is 6. 1/2 into 6, that is 3. So bond order 3 suggests that CO molecule, carbon monoxide molecule, possesses 3 bonds. So CO molecule contains a triple bond. Out of the 3 bonds, 1 bond is a sigma bond and remaining 2 are the pi bonds. Now let us see magnetic nature. Since all the electrons are paired, the CO molecule is a diamagnetic in nature. Bond length. In case of CO molecule, bond length is 1.28 angstrom unit and bond energy is around 225 kilocalories per mole. So this is the formation of heteronuclear diatomic molecule CO. In this video lecture, we have seen the formation of F2 molecule, and also we have seen formation of heteronuclear diatomic molecule including HCl, HF, CO, NO. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all.